Daddy,
and
Kittens!
Look, one ship already floats, and another follows. Here we have, what do we have? Rock. Very good. Yes, climb up.
Bamboo.
Yes, it's very tall bamboo. What is that water?
Yes.
Lake. Uh-huh. And here we have a fountain. What this? Pound is like small lake, yes?
Yes.
Small lake. Pound. Can you dance? Follow the path and don't forget you cannot step on the grass. And here what do we have? River, yes. Look there, what is it? Oh, yes, so big. Hmm? Hello! Today we'll make pirate ship. To make pirate ship we need polystyrene board, stick, white paper, black pencil, glue, scissors. Don't forget you cannot use the scissors if your parents not around. Black pen, ruler, and hot glue. Don't forget, you cannot use the hot glue if your parents are not around. Let's do it!
Shipbuilding timbers, let's go test our ship, right?
Yes, Titan.
Let's go to the open sea. Arr!
It's coming. It's coming. And now it's faster, faster, faster. And you are the winner. Ooh.
Sponsored by IQ English.